Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Goa is a state in western India with coastline stretching along the Arabian Sea. Goa can be easily reached by air, rail or road and is well connected from major cities of India.
Welcome to a brand new season of Bonkers Note, where we bring to you Goa the way we see it.
We are Urvi and Utsav, full-time travelers and digital storytellers. We call Goa our home for the next 1 month and bring to you some amazing content as we experience Goa from north to south.
It's a new day and we are headed to a new adventure.
We are off to Goa. We started from Pune about 8 am and now on the Pune-Bangalore highway. We are on an unplanned trip to Goa. Our initial stay will be at Arambol and then we are planning to travel from north to south Goa. Here we cross the first toll plaza.
First stop for breakfast.
We have stopped at a McD corner. It's a drive-through. It also has a CCD and I have taken some coffee for myself. We have taken a takeaway breakfast. We'll have the breakfast in the car and then move on.
Continue on National Highway 48 for 2 kilometers.
We are currently cruising through AH47 highway. We are now about 35 kilometers away from Satara. From here, if you take left, you can reach Mahabaleshwar. We are at the second toll plaza ahead of Satara. Toll number 3. We started around 8 am and it's now 12 in the afternoon. We are almost halfway. We did not stop at Satara. We are thinking of taking a lunch break at Kolhapur. We have stopped for lunch at a roadside restaurant named Ami Kolhapur. Let's go inside and see what we can get.
Hopefully, we'll get to taste the famous Kolhapuri thali. It's afternoon and we are really very hungry now. So we have finally stopped for lunch. I have ordered a mutton thali. Along with we have 2 roti, egg curry, mutton curry. 2 types of curries are there, and soul curry. So I'll taste the mutton fry. Chopped mutton pieces is cooked in a paste of onion, coriander, coconut and spicy kolhapuri masalas. It will make this a spicy bite. Up next I'll go for that egg curry. These are classic Maharashtrian curries, cooked with lot of spices and tempered with lots of red chilies. What I see is the mutton has been cooked with lot of spices. The spice level is really high, but the mutton is really soft and gentle from inside. I really love this food.
I have ordered a veg thali. With this they have given 2 rotis and an eggplant curry. With this there are 2 kinds of lentils and curd. So I'll taste. It's good.
The extremely soothing soul curry made out of coconut milk and coconut, and as always in Maharashtrian meal with a soul curry. Too good.
If you go from Maharashtra to Goa, you have to go via Karnataka, and right now we are approaching Maharashtra-Karnataka border. We crossed the Maharashtra border. There was a checkpoint there for COVID test reports. As we were going to Goa, so we were exempted.
The route that we are following through NH46 briefly goes into Karnataka and again flows back into Maharashtra. So this is kind of a complicated situation that you come out of Maharashtra, go into Karnataka and again back into Maharashtra to get to Goa.
While nearing Amboli, the internet goes off for quite some time. So we would suggest you to download the offline maps while you are traveling through this road. We are currently crossing the Amboli Ghat. The roads here are quite twisty and the temperature here drops quite a bit because of the altitude.
After 10 hours of journey, we have finally made it to Goa.
From Arambol beach parking, we took a left turn to drive towards our stay in Love Temple.
We started at around 8 am in the morning, and it took us about 10 hours to reach here with 2 stops in between. The Hotel Love Temple, it is a cottage type setup. Let's go in and show you how it is.
This property is almost on the beach and we are walking through the sand to reach our cottage. There are also shared cottages available, but we are putting up on a private cottage just by the beach. I can already feel the sand under my feet and it feels so magical to be in this setting. This is the room. It's quite basic but is decent enough to stay a couple of nights. Let me give you a quick room tour. So here we have a bed. The bed is quite nice and comfortable. Opposite to the bed we have a shelf, and please ignore the mess we have created here. This is the washroom. It doesn't have a door. It is just divided by a curtain. Here we have a basin. Thank God the tap is working. A shower area and a WC. For family tourists, it might be quite challenging to stay here with kids. But for a couple, it might be quite exciting depending on the relationship they share.
This stay is right on the beach, and in front of me I can see the sea. It's very nice. It's quite windy. The sun will set in some time. We'll go ahead and enjoy the sunset.
It's dinner time and we have arrived at Kinara restaurant near Arambol beach parking. We have not yet got a chance to explore the place properly. So what I have ordered is French fries. It's a great snack to have and do people watching right now. So that's what we are doing right now. We have ordered the special Hakka noodles. I can see chunks of chicken and prawn with lots of vegetables along with the fried oily noodles. It's looking mouth-wateringly delicious enough to catalyze that hunger and notch up. Along with that seafood noodles, we have some chili chicken. We have ordered a spicy gravy version of that chili chicken. It comes along with some steamed rice and should be a perfect portion for both of us. The gravy is a nice combination of soya sauce, chili sauce, vinegar and that tomato ketchup. And along with it we have boneless pieces of chicken and fried vegetables. It looks and sounds absolutely delicious, so let me get started now. I am having a nice mouthful bite of the noodles first. I have specifically ordered a spicier version of the noodles. It's very tasty. The seafood is really fresh, and with the chili chicken it's making a great combination. With the humidity out here, I'm really liking the spice. On that note, we are ending today's vlog, and wait till we go bonkers in the next one. If you like what you see, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Bonkers Note.